Today, we will talk about how to start a housekeeping business. Let's have a look at the details. Starting a housekeeping business can provide a good source of income for entrepreneurs with talent for organizations who are looking for a quick return on their investments. Housekeeping businesses require hard work, attention to detail, and good time management skills, as well as the ability to acquire and maintain clients. In addition, like any other business, a housekeeping business needs sound business management and smart use of investments. Read the following steps to learn how to start a housekeeping business. Learn the housekeeping business by working for an established company that provides housekeeping services. Experienced cleaners know how to clean different types of surfaces, how to use both chemical and conventional products, and how to efficiently and quickly clean different spaces. This knowledge will help you when you start a housekeeping business. Determine whether you'll cater to households, businesses, or both. Households may have more varying demands in regards to cleaning, depending on the type of household and the services they require. Corporate clients typically require housekeeping businesses to clean before or after normal work hours. Write a business plan. Include how much money you need to invest and what you will invest it in, who and where your market is, whether you'll hire employees, what your marketing plan is, the costs of an accountant and taxes, and your projected income for the first year. Obtain the investment money you need. You can apply for a business loan from your bank or talk to private investors. Register your business in your city to obtain a business license. Apply for an EIN, Employer's Identification Number, if you plan on hiring employees. Draft a standard housekeeping contract that specifies what your services and responsibilities are, what those of the client is, and how disputes will be settled. It's best to go to a business lawyer to have one drafted so the lawyer can explain all of the different clauses, and you know exactly what you're agreeing to. Purchase liability insurance for your housekeeping business. In the event that a client sues you, your insurance will protect you. It's also a good idea to get bonded to prove to clients that you are trustworthy and are covered in the event that items are damaged, destroyed, or stolen. Make a list of your services and prices. Decide whether to offer discounts to clients who request your services multiple times a week or month. Obtain a vehicle, such as a car or a minivan. You'll need to travel from client to client and bring all of your cleaning equipment with you, so make sure you have plenty of room. Purchase cleaning equipment. You'll need brooms, mops, industrial vacuums, cloths, and rubbish bags, as well as detergents for different types of surfaces. Be sure to get both conventional and eco-friendly products so you can cater to each client's preference. Put together an information package about your services and pricing, as well as policies, insurance, and references. Include the option for clients to request a copy of your police report if they want more peace of mind. Market your housekeeping business with flyers, ads in local publications, and on the internet. And then open your housekeeping business. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.